Welcome to Bonnie Vlog. Today my recipe is spaghetti. For preparing spaghetti, you have to take a vessel and pour some water in this, and you have to add 1 spoon of salt and spaghetti in this. Spaghetti in this. And you have to add some oil and cook it for 15 minutes. See, let's check the spaghetti. Yes, it is cooked. So what you have to do, you have to put it aside and wash it with cold water. The same you have to keep another pan. So now you have to add olive oil in this. Here I am using this olive oil. And then you have to add little bit of jeera in this. Let it cook. And then add little bit of pizza herbs. These are the pizza herbs. You have to add little bit. And then you have to add this grated carrot and red onions. Cook it for 10 minutes. So now you have to add salt, and then this is with pepper. I am adding pepper in this. So you have to add pepper a little bit, not much. Then you have to add this soya sauce. This is the soya sauce. And then you have to add little bit of sugar in this. Cook it for another 10 minutes. Now you have to add spaghetti in this. to set everything evenly, all the spices what we added inside. Cook it in a low flame. So now the spaghetti is ready. If you like my video, please do like, share and subscribe my channel Khani Blog. Thank you. Bye bye my Titos.